The launch sequence for Verge Aero's drone force is spectacular. The show has been months in the making to mark a historic moment for the University of Texas.
We have 400 drones set up, ready to fly in this grid you see here to our side.
And this blockbuster show all starts with Verge Aero CEO, Nils Thorgerson.
Well, we're super excited to be here tonight. It is the beginning of the SEC era for the University of Texas. And so as a result, we're going to fly a bunch of content to help memorialize the day. And that includes UT logos and SEC logos and things like that.
And it's not Verge Aero's first aerial rodeo. They've produced elaborate drone shows all over the globe.
We've done things in New York and Washington, D.C., in London, in Dubai, Singapore, all over the world.
For this show,
they're all pre-programmed.
The 400 drones are placed in a measured grid pattern. Each one is programmed with advanced computer software and built with the latest high-end materials from the ground up, all researched and developed by Verge Aero's team.
So we have tight hardware-software integration to make sure it's safe and that it can do exactly what the creative people want to do easily.
And Nils says each drone stays in place even in windy or rainy conditions with a GPS system on steroids.
Well, we use GPS to keep them in position, but because GPS isn't a super accurate concept, we actually refine it with something called RTK, okay, which uses a base station to send enhancement information and make it more precise.
With the show now moments away, creative director Mason Hayes gives me a sneak peek at the formations for the show.
This is the first logo in the show. This is the SEC logo. Obviously, we're here to celebrate UT joining the SEC. So this is from launch. This is the first thing that we'll see.
Now, back to the launch. It's showtime. From the SEC logo to their motto, it just means more, and of course, the iconic hook'em horns and longhorn, Verge Aero's drone tech wowed the crowd.
I mean, it's incredible, right? I mean, to be able to help the university do something awesome and spectacular that will catch the attention of people around the world, it's really awesome.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.